Good morning, Miss Nelson's class. It is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020, 5-13-20. How is everyone doing? Hope you're all doing well, getting your work done. It's coming to the end of the school. I really need you guys getting your work done. If you've missed work in the past, I need that still to be turned in. I'm having to start to fill out report cards. And I don't want to give anyone any grade that if they can help it, if you can get that work in, please get your work in. Okay. We have our friends chit chat today from 9 to 9:30. Class check-in again, 11:30 to 12. I sit there. Anybody needs help with their work, come join me. One-pagers. I'm sorry, not first pagers. One-pagers. In math today, again, we're working with 3D objects today, but we're comparing them with 2D objects and seeing what the difference is. There's a video for you to listen to and excuse me, and to read a story. And then you've got only 2 questions to answer, just comparing different shapes, different 2D shapes with 3D shapes, okay? Excuse me, and then that's that for math. For ELAR, we're still working, there's a video to watch of Miss Buchek teaching the lesson, and she's using a different type of graphic organizer. This is something you'll just have to kind of draw it on your own paper or do it on an Excel sheet. If you have an Excel on your computer, you can just type the text, topic, evidence, and lesson. So that way it can help them stay organized with their thoughts and thinking. Again, I still have on our class tag red pinned my morning message from yesterday where I discussed a little bit more in detail and hopefully a little bit more helpful for the kiddos to understand the concept that we're learning from last week and this week in ELAR. Basically understanding more of life lessons learned, not necessarily like it's not a retell of the story. It's deeper thinking, more mature thinking. Now that you guys are getting older and about to become second graders, right? We have to look a little bit deeper in what authors are writing and trying to teach us and share with us, okay? So check that out on class tag if you still need it. It's still pinned as a reference to help you guys. Science, you guys are going to listen to Miss Bedford tell a story about a little butterfly. And then she has this worksheet, looks like that, for you guys to complete. If you can't print out the worksheet, that's okay. You can certainly draw. A lot of you guys are awesome artists anyway. So just draw the different cycles of the life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, I think that's about it. I feel like I'm forgetting something. It's just not. There's just like 1,000 things on Miss Nelson's list to do. Okay, I think that's all for you guys to get you going on today. So again, I hope to see as many of you guys on our Friends Chit Chat. And again, class check-in at 11:30 if you need any help with anything. All right, I love you guys. I miss you. Please get your work done. You are so close to that finish line, okay? So keep on chugging. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.